What's up, YouTube? Back on the video, you tell from the title, I'm here with the best fried chicken recipe you'll ever have. It might not look the best, but it definitely tastes the best. I'm telling you, this is one of them. This is definitely one of them. But anyway, before we do get into this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't upload. And yeah, this video is just me. At least in the beginning, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be doing a taste test with her, but I'm the chef of the relationship, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah, it's gonna be the best. It's gonna taste good. Definitely gotta try this. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so we're gonna be making fried chicken. We just got the little winglets, just the little pieces. So we're gonna be making this. So first thing first, we're gonna start with the black pepper. I want to start with the black pepper. I'm trying to make sure I get in the camera. Black pepper we start with. Get a good amount of it on there. You know. Then we're gonna go with the garlic powder. See, I like a lot of garlic. Some people don't. Some people do. You know, season to your liking, whatever. Then, of course, we got to get the season all. Season it up good here. Then, you know what I'm saying, what I call my little secret recipe. You got to get the Nashville Hot. A lot of people use paprika, but I like the Nashville Hot chicken seasoning. Yeah, this be real good on it, I promise you. It's a decent amount of spice, but it's delicious. I'm telling y'all, we're gonna make some good chicken today. And then last but not least, we got the grilled seasoning chicken rub. I mean, sometimes I use it, sometimes I don't. It just depends on how I'm feeling. Today we're gonna use it, but either way. And then I usually have one more. I have this Cajun seasoning. I think I'm either out or almost out. I like this as well. Right here. This go great. You can use this for anything. I use this for chicken, ground beef. I use it for everything. I use it for my salmon sometimes, just a little bit though. But yeah, it's good. Alright, then that's the last of it. Then you know what you gotta do. You shake it up, you know. Get all that mixed up a little bit. Add a little more, you know. Add a little more Cajun. Since it's almost done, I'm going to add a decent amount. Okay. Add a little more garlic. And a little more seasoning. You gotta have the whole thing covered. And that's not it. After you got all your seasoning in there, all of it mixed up good and stuff, you know, mix it up a little bit. What you're gonna do is what I like to do. You can use multiple different things really, but I like to use mustard. What I like to use is just regular mustard, yellow mustard, regular, you know. Whatever you got. I like to use mustard. You can use anything really. Sometimes I use honey, just depends. But you know, you just add a decent amount there. Just a little bit of that. And then what I like to add also is when I want it spicy, I like to add that Pete's hot sauce. I'm telling you, it gets right. I'm telling you. Add a little bit of that. And then last but not least, but I like to add a little bit of sugar, just a little bit, nothing too crazy. It's about half a scoop if you got one of these. If not, I don't know, I don't measure it, but maybe like 2 tablespoons maybe. And then after you do that, you know, you just shake it up. Let me grab my top. Close it up. Shake it up real good. Make sure it's all over it, and it should look like this after you finish. It should just look real saucy. Let me bring it a little closer to the camera so y'all can see. But it should look real saucy. And then what you do with that, it's a strong smell too. It's gonna be great. Oh my gosh. But yeah, after you do this, you put it in the refrigerator for about 30 to 45 minutes. What I like to do. And then we're gonna fry it. So I'll be back in a second after about 30 to 45 minutes. Alright, so now that we done, you know what I'm saying, it's been about 45 to an hour actually. Now we're gonna take it out of it. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks now. Just been sitting for about an hour. Nothing too crazy. That's how it looks. Alright, so now we're about to fry it. Put them in, you know what I'm saying? Just stack them up in there. Stack them in there. Oh, I forgot the main. Yeah, I forgot the main thing. I ain't gonna lie. See, I'm over here rushing and I forgot. First, before we do this, we gotta add some flour. So just give me a second. Let me go get that. Just give me one. Alright, so now that we added the flour, you know what I'm saying? You just wanna shake that up a little bit. Get it on all of the chicken. All of the chicken. Now we start to put that in there. Now we start putting it in the deep fryer. Just stack it up real nice like that. Just stack it up real good. Just stack them in there. I like to put about 4 on each side. I don't want to stack them all on top of each other. Make sure all of them cook thoroughly and like evened out, you know, so I like to have about the same amount on each side. Okay, and then the last piece over here. Put a little more flour on that. And the last piece, there we go. Alright, so now we got it all in like that. Now we're about to fry it. See this in there frying real good. Everything evened out. Yeah, but I'll be back with y'all when it's finished. And for the taste test. Okay, so the chicken's about done. I'm about to start taking it out right now. Let's see, this should look about like these. Obviously, if you want more skin, just put more flour and stuff. But this is how I like mine. If you ever had Bojangles chicken, that's how I like mine. Alright, but yeah, for the taste test. Alright, so just wanted to give y'all a better look. The rest of them still in there frying. It's not done all the way. Yeah, that's how the chicken looks so close. Steaming hot. Alright, time for the taste test. Come on, tell me how it is, Lear.
It's good.
Yeah. The best fried chicken you'll ever have. I'm telling you. Trust the recipe. Try it. It'll get you right. It'll change your life. Alright, but that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications if it's upload. I'm about to eat this chicken. We got some fries going in too. And I'm out. Peace.